you tell me a bit more about your collaboration with Galileo and what it means for Klar?
Of course, and it's been a great collaboration. We're very happy to work with them. What does it mean to Klar? I mean, for us, it means that we have a partner that operates at the technological excellence level that we operate in, right? We have an extremely talented team of engineers, both here in Mexico and in Berlin, because a good chunk of our tech sits in Berlin. And when we build the products that we want for this market, we have to ensure that we are also partnering with technologies that are at the scale at which or at the level at which we need them, right? And this is both in terms of how robust they can be, this is in terms of how flexible they can be and how reliable they can be. So in Galileo, again, we go back to this notion of nothing having happened in Mexico really in the payments world in a while, and all of a sudden a lot of things happen, right? So maybe the incumbents are happy with the processor they have or with the infrastructure that they have because out of complacency, or the complexity to change things. But all of a sudden we start mixing up things as fintechs, and that's where a partner such as Galileo becomes incredibly relevant in raising that bar, right? Again, what was happening with banks and now the competition that fintechs are bringing to the table, it applies to the old school processors and to Galileo. Where things worked because nobody was demanding more and nobody was raising the bar, but now things are changing. So in Galileo, we found a fantastic partner with a lot of expertise in how to onboard and connect and get fintechs up and running quickly enough, and how to react with enough flexibility when we need something from them in order not to sacrifice our product, right? If you're working with a subpar processor, for example, or a subpar partner, your product might have to make concessions because of the limitations that the partner offers. And I think that's the reality for some fintechs even, and for a lot of the incumbents. Here we can ensure that the products we want to build are supported by the infrastructure that Galileo puts at our disposal. So it is the perfect partner for the way we viewed our products and our technology, which is raising it to another level.